Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to do a quick price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so in yesterday evening's video, or the previous video, we were talking about how we were potentially going to break out of this falling wedge pattern right here. And as you can see, we did actually get a breakout. We did come up here and broke out, and we did get a retest on our trend line. This is our major resistance line all the way from the top of our pennant or descending triangle pattern. So this is a very strong line right here. I do believe in the next couple hours or even days or next day or so, we should break through this, but we'll have to see how it plays out. But again, we did come up here. We did get rejected off of it. We came back down, had a retest, and we are currently just had another retest a little bit ago. And it looks like we are currently bouncing off of this, which is what we want to see. Generally, as we do say in our videos, we do want to have a retest on our trend lines just to confirm that it is not a fake out where it comes up and drops back in. But yeah, you just want to confirm that it was not a fake out, and it looks like this was not a fake out. We did have a retest, and we are bouncing back off right now. So hopefully in the next couple of hours, we will come back up here and hopefully retest our trend line right here. We'll go over our RSIs in a second to see how we are looking. But I did draw another Fibonacci tool, retracement tool. So I just came from up here from our swing high that we had down to the swing low that we had yesterday. So I just drew that out. And the levels we want to look for right now. All right, if we continue to break out bullish, our next level will be right here at the 0.23. Excuse me, yeah, the 0.23 level. That is right here. The next level up will be our regular zero level. That's right. That will actually be the target of our falling wedge pattern. So we want to be looking up here around the 6650 area. That would be our first target. And of course, our full rising wedge target would be at the 6667 area. And if we do happen to come up here and then retest this point, I think it's the point, excuse me, the can't really see right here. Let me see. Well, anyway, this next level on Fibonacci, that is around the 5671 area. If we can't break through here, we'll probably come back down and get a retest of this trend line and hopefully bounce off from there. Of course, our next couple targets down below, if we do continue to break down for some reason, will be the 0.5 level. That is at the 5417 level. Our 0.68 area, which is the golden Fibonacci, that is around the 5150 area, so somewhere around there. That's the next couple levels we want to look at in case we do start breaking downward. But more than likely, we are breaking bullish out of our falling wedge, so we should see a breakout out of here, and hopefully even break out of our long descending triangle right there. But let's go over to our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so over here on a 15-minute chart, the RSI has come all the way down, and we did get a bounce right here, and we're heading back up. So that's a good bullish sign. Our stochastic has corrected all the way down, and we are coming back up as well. So by the time we hit the top of this 15-minute chart right here, we'll probably be looking right around our trend line right here. So we'll have to see how that works out, if we are able to break through it or if we do get rejected again. And over here on our hourly chart, all right, the RSI currently is sitting around the 48 level. Of course, we do have this trend line right here that we want to make sure we do stay above. And our stochastic is almost all the way down to the bottom to our oversold territory. So we should see that curving back up here in the next several hours or so. And hopefully we'll get a nice bounce and head up through here. So the hourly is looking really good. If we're able to maintain this line right above here and able to bounce off and then break through here, that looks like it would be a good bullish sign. All right, over here on our 4-hourly chart, the RSI currently is sitting around the 46 area. The stochastic is starting to hook down a little bit. We'll see if we come back down in here, maybe get a bounce and head back up. We'll see how that does play out. And over here on our daily chart, our RSI currently is sitting right around the 54 area. And come down here to our stochastic. So our stochastic right now, we are in the oversold territory. We're kind of bouncing around right now, waiting to see what happens. But again, as we said in the last couple of videos, hopefully we will start seeing a uptrend right here and this would show us that we are most likely in our next bull run, which I do believe will happen. I believe we'll be breaking these patterns very shortly and have a nice another large bull run. Let's head back over here to our 15-minute chart, see if anything's changing. All right, so we currently are still getting a nice bounce off of our trend line right here. Hopefully we do continue to the upside right here. I do believe in the next couple hours we will be retesting this trend line. Hopefully we, by the time we get through there, hopefully we will have enough steam to completely break through this. And again, let me just head back over here to see our full chart. All right, and hopefully again, as with any pattern, if and when we do break this heavy resistance trend line right here, we will probably come back up, maybe bounce off one of our levels, and more likely we will come back down and retest the trend line. That would be a good bullish sign, and hopefully we'll consolidate and then break up.